recording. It's really cold. I'm standing in a kiddie pool full of ice water and I'm doing the ice bucket challenge. Got challenged by like 4 different people. Oh my god, it's so cold already. I challenged Josh, Danny, Kenny, Jack, and who else I want to challenge? Christine Littman, and Lisa. Okay. I don't want to do this. This is for ALS. Oh, wait, hold on, 1 sec. For every like I get on this video in the next 24 hours, I'm going to donate $0.25. And every share I get in the next 24 hours, I'm going to donate $1. Because I'm broke, so it's really cheap. And I'm doing this. Oh my god, I hate my life right now.
I couldn't lift it fully.
I'm so glad you didn't. Holy shit. Holy shit. It's so cool.